Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. For today's serye, andito po kami sa labas ng favorite place ng aking anak na si Abby. 19 months old pa yan siya guys. So medyo makulit pa. So gusto niya yung maglaro-laro, makikisalamuha sa mga bata. So ayaw ko rin siya ma-expose sa cellphone kaya lumalabas kami. Thank you. Bye-bye airplane! Bye-bye. Bye-bye airplane. Kanina mo ibigay yung flowers? Kanina mo ibigay ang flowers? Ha? Oo. Ha? Kanina mo ibigay yan? Tabi, tabi, tabi. Oops. Tabi-tabi deh. Let's call Mama Flowers. What is this? What is this? Oh, wow. Thank you, Abby. Dito tayo sabi. Mamaya, paano tayo ng takpan? Let's play. Let's play. Hi. Hi, doggy. Favorite namin yan, doggy. Mga animal lovers ito. Oh, where are you going? Oh, where are you going? Abby. What? Hmm? What? What's that? Huh? Bird, a bird. That's a bird. Yeah, that's a bird. What's this? What is this? It's a leaves.